because we have very few cabinets in this townhouse, so we use the dishwasher as storage. Glasses in the top rack. Miscellaneous service trays and plates in the lower rack. You are the dishwasher by choice. Ain't nothing wrong with that. One of the other reasons, in all honesty, we don't have or use a dishwasher is same thing, Spud, to an extent. My wife actually claims to enjoy washing dishes. She says she finds it relaxing. I'm not going to argue. Never had a dishwasher. House too small for it, which though. You know what? Even when we've had one where storage space wasn't, rarely ever used one. I've had dishwashers in every place I've lived for probably the last 30 to 35 years. I don't think I've used them more than a handful of times. Use it as a drying rack. There you go. Not jumped, bumped. Ah. So your wounds heal, you can't wash them yourself, sadly. Yeah, we don't even use it for that. Like I said, it's just, that's where all the extra drinkware goes, mostly. If you need a glass and you don't see one, it's probably in the dishwasher. Or you might need to wash the glasses. We had to buy more dishes and cutlery to use our dishwasher efficiently. That doesn't surprise me, actually. Knew a guy who grew up posh, asked my girlfriend's mom where the dishwasher was, and got embarrassed when she pointed at herself. Ooh. But yeah, I agree with Spud. That's a good response from her, though. See, that's my mother's response. Although she did finally get a dishwasher. She had one of those, like the portable ones that you hooked up to the sink. You had to hook it up to the faucet in the sink. So it's like, it had a butcher block top. So on one side, she would put it away on one side of the kitchen, and it basically was a cutting board. This massive, she'd make pies on it and everything. But it was the dishwasher. And when it came time to wash the dishes, you kind of roll it over to the other side of the kitchen, and you hook it up to the sink, and off you go. Got a dishwasher a year after all the kids were gone. Yeah, my mom got one probably. I mean, I was still at home, but it was probably not too long after my last sister moved out. What U.S. state contains the resort of Myrtle Beach? As old as these cards are, that one's probably still true, unless there was another war and nobody told me. This is, by the way, from the original edition of Trivial Pursuit. So outdated answers are not completely unexpected. North Carolina, Blasted says South Carolina. Fargonaut says the state of confusion, there's more truth to that than I think you may be aware. One of the Carolinas, an edge state. I don't know if people in the Carolinas are edging or not. They're certainly not edgy. They may be on edge. You don't even know which edge. Came in on the raid but had the volume so low you didn't realize it. Well, welcome, Thea. The east edge, yes. Totally the east edge. Let's see what we got. Just got back from dropping Son off at work. Nice. Weird noise outside. Hey, I just got done watching Stranger Things. No weird noises. No bumps. No shuffles. No weird noises. No highly unusual growls. None of that stuff. No. No clocks. Bree is right. No clocks. None of that stuff. Scary. So the answer was South Carolina. It was the southern eastern edge. It's a Stranger Things thing. From season 4, Slug. Your cat was making weird noises and I found her standing on my son's desk. You know, cats see things. I'm just saying. They see things that you and I can't. In entertainment... Oh my God. Who played Dr. Hugo Z. Hackenbush